Washer PC Wabash again. I got my dad and Mike going out to get the new supply line for that. Put in a new toilet. Went from a 12-inch bowl, I think, to 16 inches, I believe. Already put the new base in. Getting ready to do the rest of this over here on camera. We're just waiting for the supply line to go there. Then we can hook it up, give it a test run. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for that part, I'll bring you guys over here. And that drains the water out the tank. I turned off the supply line coming in, so there's no more water going into this tank. Wow. Let's drain some more down. It didn't quite drain as far down as I wanted it. So we'll put our little catch bucket right here. And we gotta sponge out all this so I can disconnect the supply line hose. There it is. So we're going from a 14-inch toilet to almost 17 with the seat on it. So that will help. Alright. Okay, I'm back. Got all the water drained. So now disconnecting the old supply line here because they're out getting new ones. I'm going to put this bucket underneath here in case I do have any drainage coming out. Alright. So that's all it takes. A little twist, we break it loose. But this time I'm going to leave it connected. I got me a little 5/8 open front wrench so I can put it right here, slide it right over this pipe. So we can get in here and disconnect that. I guess when it was installed, and like I said, we're going up on the bowl quite a bit, so it no longer fits. I got to pop these off. Slow nut. It's a nut bolt cover combination type thing. So we're going to pop that off and take that off, which happens to be a 7/16, so we got to break that loose, which we've done, no biggie. That side's disconnected. That's redone when they officially move in. So, and of course we always got the one that don't want to cooperate. That one's just spinning. There. Yep. Marshall PC Wabash back. Of course, when you got 4 screws, one of them going to act up. I had to cut this one out. And I left my saw handle at home, so I had to grab a hold of it like a man and cut it with the bare hand. Alright, well, I'm going to pick this toilet up now. It's ready to come on up out of this joint. So, and we're up. Let's see, what kind of mess we got? We got a nasty old wax ring. Wax ring removal. Probably the most disgusting thing about the whole job, folks. Ain't nothing to spray. Ain't got no spray nowhere. I'm just trying to get the funk up before I put the toilet over top. And this This floor is pretty ate up. I gotta get this bolt out of here. Got the screw, so I gotta work on getting that out. So, see y'all in a bit. Alright, we got the mess cleaned up, and now we're back. Pulling new rack swing out of its seal. There it is, all yuckified. Then our seal is made by Hydra seat. According to the instructions, we put the wax ring on, then we seat the seal over top of that, where it says back, just like that, and set it on there and see what we're working with. Measure off our 12 inches, make sure we get lined up, because we got to be, that's good, and that's good, 12 inches. Now we do a little closer measurement, and that's good, we've squared up. That's what we want to do. Now, okay, I'm back. Got it remeasured, smushing the wax ring down to the floor. So we're here. Alright, I'm back. We've got this ring set. Now we get to the toilet. Better. Right now the tiles are cracked, but I didn't do it. And now we are in that we're looking for up there. Got to put it hiding on. Alright, watch it.
Good. I ain't gonna move the thing, I guarantee it. I do.
Okay. Watch it. Going through.
Does it come float? I don't know. No, that's what the thing.
Okay. Finally. Got the one washer on. Three already on it.
You got white tape there.
Now we got two. Let me get back here and get this third one. Got it. Alright, that looks good. And goes to the tank. Both of these have a washer in it already. So you shouldn't need to put any more tape on it. And then you get it so it's right there, hand tight.
Oh, that one don't have to be. hand tight, cut it over, like that.
Make sure we get this on square so we don't cross thread nothing. And this too has a washer on the inside. A little bit quicker than the old style trying to flare everything. Now I got a little wrench. We get this hand tight. We're pretty much hand tight as much as I can do right here. Now I got my little open wrench, and we are not ratcheting down on this thing. I'm going to give it maybe a quarter turn like that. Slow, in case we make a mess. We got pressure on the line. We got water going in the bowl. Got nothing coming out from the seams, which is a good thing. Check that again. Put a little bit more. Got more coming out bottom on the base. Huh? So, I think we're going down in the books as a successful tolling install. Marshall PC Wabash, I'm out. Give Mike some airtime. It's Marshall PC Wabash. I'm back. This is my sister's husband, Mike. He's changing the deadbolts, and I took care of the toilets. So now we can start moving stuff up and not have to worry about the locks. Alright. That's an electric fireplace. Marshall PC Wabash. I'm out.